This tutorial will review the procedure for fitness and human performance testing as part of the patient assessment. From the Living Younger home directory, click Patient Assessment. And from there, click the PE and Fitness Assessments button. As mentioned in the orientation, there are multiple examination tools available for physical examination. All of the calculators and examination tools are directly accessible from within the patient chart. The fitness and performance testing form is a worksheet for conducting limited or comprehensive functional performance. In general, the instructions are available on the navigation panel by clicking Instructions. It will walk you through the steps of how to use this form. The types of measurements taken are body composition, reaction time and static balance testing, pulmonary function, cardiorespiratory fitness, flexibility, and strength testing. The provider can choose among a limited or all of the tests. The test names are in this first column here under Tests. Any test that you want to perform, click on the name and the instructions will be pulled up telling you what the test is for, what, if any, equipment is necessary, and how to perform the procedure. The measurements taken are entered in the next column here. Once that's done, the system will automatically calculate the values from the measurements in this column here. And a classification will be assigned according to the American College of Sports Medicine fitness classifications. And finally, where appropriate, a risk rating will be assigned to the measurements. On the left side of the document are checkboxes for high priority, room for improvement, and optimal measurements. This makes it easy for the patient to understand what the major issues are after they've been tested, as this form can be printed and given to your patients. Time you want to know what the classification chart is based upon, in this column here, simply click on the test and you're taken to a calculator that'll show you a classification chart. Now, these calculators are what are accessible directly from within the patient chart. Instructions for any test are available by clicking on the name of the test. In the navigation panel, you have tools. Once you've done your measurements and you have the results of their fitness, you can open up a fitness recommendations form, which has been previously reviewed. You also can access all of the patient exercises in the system, or print out a patient fitness education manual. And the user also has clinical resources as well. In the patient chart, each of these measurements and tests can be flow charted, which you'll see in a subsequent tutorial.